Woo! These are some gnarly waves, man! Oh, but it feels a little bit strange. The water smells gross, that's for sure. I think I'm gonna fall over. Woo! Found some scuba gear. That was lucky. That could be a goner. I really could be. This could be bad. Wait, what is that down there? Seriously, what is that? Just keep swimming, just keep swimming, just keep swimming, just keep swimming, just keep swimming all the way home. Just keep... That song seems catchy. Just keep swimming, just keep swimming, just keep swimming all around. Yeah, da 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 da. Oh my gosh, the thing's about to run out of oxygen. Oh, they're stuck in here.